Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop autoplay videos on Twitter app, which is the X app. So as we all know, sometimes you might just play a video and it keeps also replaying on its own. So I'm going to show you how to stop that, how to disable that feature. Yeah. So first thing first, you have to open up your X app, which is a Twitter app. So I'm going to click on that, and this is how my Twitter looks like. And so you have to click on the profile right there, and you can see settings and support. Click on that, settings and support, and you can see settings and privacy. Click on that right there, and you can see accessibility, display, and languages. That's what we are looking for. You will click on that, and you can see data usage. Click on that as well, and now you can see video autoplay. Click on that, and now you are going to see never. So once you click on never, it's going to stop and disable auto replay videos on your Twitter app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.